So you're gonna let that head fall as much as possible. I'm gonna bring my hand in here, really let that fall.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Ooh.
Can I take a nap
Man, that's... You can.
after this?
A quick 20-minute nap, yep.
There you go.
You'll need it after that one. That was good. You're actually moving a lot better than you were. Way more movement. Good. Come in here.
Oh,
Jeez.
I'm telling you, this is so good.
I know. You ready?
I'm ready. Oh, the hug. Okay.
Okay. You prepared?
I'm yeah.
Oh man, you're warm now.
Sweaty.
Nice. Gotcha. All right, my friend. Here we go. Just let that head fall, okay? Oh man. Jeez.
Wow.
Woo. Little late Christmas present.
Yeah.
For you.
Happy New Year present too.
Then we'll get that curve stimulated here. It's great at breaking up the scar tissue inflammation. We're also reforming that neck curve, taking pressure off the brain stem, allowing the body to function at a higher level here. Dang.
Oh.
There you go, my man. Woo.
Wow.
Dude.
Holy crap.
Man. Man. Whew. Oh, there it is. Wow. Man. Yep.
Oh, there we go.
Set that in. Let me get this right rib cage right in here, bud. There it is. And then a little more. Beautiful. Lift your head up, my man. Good. This neck, we have a reverse curve. Lack of curve in the neck, lack of extension. Just really just let that chin kind of fall up. Perfect. Right here.
Oh, yes.
Oh, nice. Woo! Gonna run this right side here, bud. Head back all the way. Can we head back?
Oh, yes.
This here, the occipital lift, is really good at opening up the space between the skull and the top bone of the neck. A lot of decompression there. So for those of you with like suboccipital headaches, excellent. Good. Let that fall. Yep.
Woo.
Man,
Damn, that was good.
that'll wake you up.
Yep.
Oh, you already feel that? It's already popping. So we get a lot of compression here. No better tool to open up the neck, the spine than this one here. So let that fall here, bud. Yep.
That felt good.
Man. Wow. Been a hot minute there, huh?
Yeah, pretty good.
In reality, you wear a really heavy uniform, right? What is it, like 20 pounds or more? Correctional officer. Love it. Woo! I know. Right up here. Wow. Man, that's awesome. So we're gonna get in this lower neck. That's where you're having your issue.
Yeah.
Just let that fall nice and heavy, Kimmy.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh my God.
Wasn't that just like smooth?
Oh my God.
You know, just like that. So on this one, what I want you to do.
Oh.
That is a good way to start the day, right?
Holy
It's warm too, huh?
smokes.
Yep.
Holy smokes. I have never heard something so loud.
Oh, there it is. Woo! This is really good for the posture, bringing those shoulders back, especially when you're at a desk all day. Oh. Man, now you're going easy on me. I didn't have to push on that one. Coming in here.
Oh.
Oh. Ooh. Yep.
Yeah.
Ooh. Yep. Wow. You said you want to get taller, right? Perfect. Get these ankles. Oh, yes. Mm-hmm.